Hi guys, this is Sector. Today is the 4th of June 2007. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, Euro time, and well, I just want to show you a setup that has just taken off without me. Is the GBP JPY. Okay, I was following this pair along with the Euro CAD and the GBP Australian dollar for today. I took an entry on the Euro CAD. I'm already in the trade, still in the trade, but the GBP JPY has taken off without me. I couldn't profit from this move. Let me explain you what I was seeing in the chart. Okay, I was seeing a retrace back to the dynamic area of support right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. All right, right there. You see that? We had a swing up, retracement back to the dynamic area of support, and a bounce. All right. So in the shorter time frames, in what I like to call the trigger chart, we saw a 1, 2, 3 formation. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and off it goes. But perhaps I've been a little bit too conservative on this trade. I wanted we were seeing the retracement trend line right there, okay, and I was looking for a breakout pullback continuation, okay, in the direction of the main trend, which, as you've seen already in the 30 minutes chart, is to the upside. Okay, you see the moving averages clearly pointing up, parallel to each other, etc., etc., etc. So, like I said, perhaps I've been a little bit over conservative, okay, on this trade. Perhaps I should have triggered on the breakout of this 1, 2, 3 formation, okay, as we made new highs right there. But I just wanted to make sure that the up momentum was there, okay. So I wanted a further breakout, pullback, and continuation type of formation, the kind of formation I always trade. And but we just basically didn't get it. Okay, price has taken off. Okay, it's made new highs for the day, and well, the move is gone. Okay, it's already run 40 pips without me, and now that's too late it's too late to enter. So so well, nothing. I mean, sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. Nothing you can do about it. And the other setup that I'm following today is the GBP against the Australian dollar. Okay, if we have a look at the 30 minutes chart, we were seeing a nice retracement back to the dynamic area of support, resistance, since we are in a downtrend. Right here, okay, we were seeing how price moved up and down off this area, the way I personally like it to behave, finding resistance off this area. But as I was looking for a breakout of this retracement trend line, perhaps we will see it better in the shorter time frames. Right there, that's the trigger chart. This is the bounce of the dynamic area of resistance in the 30 minutes chart. So what I was looking for is a breakout to the downside. Okay, I saw this formation. This seemed like a nice 1, 2, 3 formation. Okay, 1, 2, 3 formation. All right. That 3 sucks. 3 formation. I was looking to see a breakout to the downside, okay, to a breakout of this retracement trend line, and make new lows right there, which would have triggered my short entry. But instead of that, price found again support of this trend line retracement trend line. Sorry, found a second support right there and began to move to the upside. Okay, making new highs. And if we go back to the setup chart, to the 30 minutes chart, well, we've just broken the dynamic area of of support. Okay, you see that, and we are now challenging the highs for the day right there. You see the highs for the day. Let me clean up the charts and zoom in a little bit. Okay, right, that this is the high of for today, and we are just challenging that level, and like I say, breaking the dynamic area of resistance. Okay, so I'm afraid I'm gonna have to give it a pass now. Even if we get a breakout to the downside once again, it's just not the kind of formation I was looking to try it. Okay, I didn't want to get this high. I didn't want to break the dynamic area of resistance. I wanted to break to the downside, to break this retracement trend line. None of that has happened. Okay, my trade plan has been violated, and well, you gotta be disciplined enough to know when you gotta call it quits. Okay, this setup was looking very nicely, but well, it has kind of fizzled out somewhere midway through, and well, it's like I said, this is not the kind of formation I was looking to try. So the GBP against Australian dollar for today is discarded. Okay. Such a shame, the GBP JPY. I kind of missed this move. Okay, I perhaps have been, like I say, too conservative. But I'm already in a trade. Okay, and I'm already in a trade that's looking fairly good. Okay, the GBP, the euro against the Canadian dollar. It's in profits, and well, I just didn't want to perhaps take extra risk. Okay, so I did want to have the breakout, pullback, and continuation aspects on my side, breaking this previous double top. That didn't happen. Instead, price rocketed off without me, okay, to the upside, making new highs for the day, and now it's too late for me to ride this. Well, it keeps pushing up, actually. Have a look at that. Keeps pushing up. Oh well. Anyway, sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. That's trading. All right. Okay, guys. Bye bye.